How to unclog your stubborn kitchen sink? That is your question, and here's your answer. I decided to give you several tips on unclogging this messy sink. That way you don't have to go from video to video in order to get your problem solved. I got unclog your kitchen sink by using a regular bell-shaped plunger. Let's get started. We're going to try the old-fashioned method. That's using a plunger. I prefer if you use a bell-shaped plunger because they have a nice opening that fits right over your drain hole on your sink. Since I have a double sink, I'm going to take a rag and place the rag in one of the drain holes. Because when you have a double sink, the air will be sucking through here from here instead of through your line down below. So I recommend that you take a rag and stuff it into one of the drain holes if you have a double sink. Keep your hand there, keep it firmly pressed down, because if you let go, the pressure will blow the rag back out and you'll just be sucking air through your pipes. Put it over top of the drain hose and push up and down a few times to create pressure inside of your pipe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the 5th one, instead of pushing hard in, because sometimes that can loosen your plumbing down below, I prefer if you just pull out. Just continue to push up and down to create pressure. Look at that. My sink is unclogged. Now for the next side. It takes practice to get it right, but if you're persistent, you'll get it down. If you've made it this far in the video, I'm proud of you, and you should be too. And if this video was able to help you in any way, leave me a comment and a like, and share it with somebody that might find these tips useful. Everything that I use in this video, there will be links down below.